Going live. Ay! Mic check, mic check. Alright guys, so medyo saglit lang. I-share lang yung live stream sa mga groups. Ay. What? For a while lang, guys. Alright, so for the meantime, pakilagay na lang muna sa comment section yung mga stock requests nyo. Then we will start shortly. Kamusta naman yung sounds? Yung ratio ng boses ko at saka yung music? Masyado bang malakas yung music? Hello kay Paul Zedric Drilon. Uh, John Kevin Maula. Ano yung sobrang lakas? Ano yung sobrang lakas, bro? Okay, sakto lang. Aha, so... Oy, good evening, Dwight. Dwight Kakasan. ECP, APN. Hi daw, princess, sabi ni Jayun.
Hi!
VLL. Yes, kasama na si JFC, John Kevin Maula. Jollibee. So okay guys, we currently have 57 live viewers. Yeah, sisimula tayo with PSEI. As usual, PSEI index tayo lagi. Ayun, so itong si PSEI, no, back in January 18, almost 2 months ago, nag-drawing ako ng ganito ng ulitin lang natin. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Then sabi ko, after 5, we will have a correction. So here, no, we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same here. Then sabi ko, we're gonna go down and find support sa areas na to. So we currently, no, hindi pa tayo maabot sa support na to. Pero as you can see, no, I predicted this drop nung January 18 pa lang. No, I already said na the PSE index will drop and we're gonna find support in these areas here. No, so hindi pa naman tayo maabot sa support zone ko. Pero sige, kunin natin Fibonacci. Swing low to swing high. So currently nasa 382. Yeah, nasa 382 retracement pa lang tayo. So yeah, we did retrace a good amount. Tingnan natin kung aabot siya sa green zone na to. No? So abang-abang ako sa area na to kasi yeah, 0.5 Fibonacci level siya eh. At saka malapit na rin siya sa 618. Tsaka pag zoom out mo, this acted as support, resistance, support again. Here is a small resistance, then support buong area na to. So, yun yung inaabangan ko, no, is umabot tayo sa green zone na to. And if we do, feel ko mag-bounce tayo dito and then have an uptrend. But yeah, we just have to wait and see, right? So after PSEI, okay guys, so commercial break muna tayo. So sa mga hindi pa alam, yeah, actually alam niyo na, ako si Risk Trader and meron nga pala akong Instagram account, no? So my Instagram account is @risktrader, no? So please give me a follow kasi medyo magiging active na rin ako dito. Right? So, habang maaga pa lang, plano ko na mag-build ng presence dito para if ever maging sikat si Instagrams, which, yeah, sikat naman na si Instagram. So, ayun, nakita ko may bright future to. So, nag-invest na rin ako ng time and effort to grow my following here. Now, after Instagram, I also have a YouTube channel. So, type nyo lang Risk Trader. No, and then, please give me a subscribe kasi every after the live stream na ginagawa natin sa Facebook, ina-upload ko siya dito para mapanood nyo. Right? And plano ko rin kasi umabot ng 2,000 to 4,000 watch hours para pwede ko siya i-monetize. Right? Para Hindi naman sa yung effort ko at saka laway ko. Kahit pa paano, meron na makukuha income from YouTube. No? Mm-hmm. So, and last thing guys, no? Meron nga pala akong trading workshop this coming March 17. It will be in a Sunday afternoon. So far, meron na pong 8 na nag-register sa ano tawag dito? Sa Google form. No? So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So here, no, 8 na yung nag-register. And then, meron pa tayong dalawa na hindi makapag-register dito. Kaya nag-message lang sa akin sa Facebook page ko. So, meron na po tayong 10 attendees this coming March 17. Siguro meron 2 slots na lang natitira kasi hindi rin pwede sobrang dami. Kasi mahirap kasi pagsabay-sabay pag marami. So, I have 2 slots left. Sa mga interested, please go to my Risk Trader page. Tapos naka-pinned post siya. Here. Naka-pinned post siya. So, dito, click nyo lang. Tapos, kung interested kayo, pwede kayo mag-sign up. Just make sure you read everything, no? Kasi this is not free. Okay? This is not free. Para to sa mga seryoso. So, yeah, meron nga pala isang OFW na nasa Korea. Magfa-fly siya to Philippines, no, just to attend the seminar, and the next day babalik na rin siya ng Korea. So, talk about dedication, right? And then meron din ako isang friend from Cebu who's gonna fly from Cebu going to Manila for the March 17 trading workshop na igaganap ko. So, we have 2 slots left. Sa mga interested, sign up now. And yeah, we're back. Okay, hindi tayo mag-crypto ngayon. So after PSEI, our next request is ABA. So MBT, ATN, IRC. What? Ang daming request ah. So, subukan natin tapusin lahat, no? Pero, yeah. Medyo busog pa kasi ako. Galing ako sa labas. Nakipag-dinner ako with some friends and yung girlfriend. So, medyo busog ako. No, hindi mo na matutulog. Gonna burn some calories by doing some live charting. So, let's get to it. So, ABA, the last time we did ABA, check natin yung past chart natin kay ABA. So, here kay ABA, yeah, ayun nga, sinabi ko we're gonna correct. So, nakapag-correct na ba tayo? So, here, no, si ABA is currently in a support zone, but yeah, we can go as low as this area. No, this is our next support zone. So if this support zone doesn't hold, then this is our next support zone. Kasi possibility is magkaroon tayo ng ganito. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 somewhere here. Or pwede rin, tapos na yung correction natin, and then tuloy-tuloy na tayo. But either way, yeah, I'm feeling medyo bullish for ABA. Right? So after ABA, let's do RLT. Yun, so we currently have 100 live viewers. Hello kay Danilo Donor Jr., Mr. Architect. And sa pinsan kong si Dick Barameda. Dami. Shit. May ISM pa, Bloom. Alright, tama. RLT, so RLT. Ooh. So RLT, no, so ano yung okay, so sa RLT nasa weekly time frame tayo. So what caused this pump? No, it did 50% in how long? Yeah. Burat, burat, burat. Okay, so RLC did 50% in 98 days. So 3 months, 58%. Not bad, no? So, guys, what caused this recent pump? The reason for this recent pump is meron tayong bullish divergence na nangyari on a weekly time frame. Nagka-lower low, no, nagkaroon tayo ng lower low sa price action. Pero kung titignan natin yung RSI, no, kung titignan natin yung RSI, meron tayong double bottom na naganap, which means bullish yan, right? So, kaya nagkaroon ng ganitong pop. So, tingnan naman natin on the daily time frame. No, yeah, so, mukhang maganda naman yung trend niya. Still on an uptrend. So, I am bullish for RLT until we break this trend line. No? Itong trend line na dinowing natin. So, I'm bullish unless we break this trend line. No? And makikita natin on the daily, mukhang nagkaroon na tayo ng, alam mo yun, bullish moving average or EMA crossover. So, yung mga, yung 50, 20, and 13 EMA, 13 dapat to. So, yeah, yung 50, 20, and 13 EMA, nasa taas na siya ng 100. So, medyo, alam niyo na yun, di ba? Pag yung mga fancy Z freaks, no, tinatawag yung zoo strikes or alignment of the stars. Right? So, yeah, bullish until this trend line support is broken. No, so, ingat-ingat din guys kasi on the daily, nagkaroon na tayo ng bearish MACD crossover dito. So, tingnan naman natin yung 4 hours. So, 4 hours, yeah, not much. Wala masyado. So, yeah, wala akong masyadong masabi, but since uptrend to, bantayan nyo lang tong trendline support. Now, if it breaks this trendline support, we have a good chance of correcting down to these areas of support. Ating support zone. Nakikita natin if we break the trend line. No? But until then, we just have to wait and see. After RLT, si Be. Be! Be! Mm. Mm. So, ayun, no? Basic. Drawing tayo ng trend line. And mukhang meron na tayong breakout. Right? Breakout, baby. So, yeah, drawing na rin tayo ng trend line support. So, mukhang ganyan siya. Descending wedge pa dito. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag dito eh. Pero alam niyo yung triangle na pababa. Ito yun eh. Ito yung triangle na pababa. So, if we do hold support, no, there's a good chance na in the coming days, magko-consolidate tayo above the trend line resistance na na-break na natin. So, pagpasensya na guys, medyo mabagal yung connection or mabagal lang sa Instagrams. So, yun, drawing lang tayo ng trend line. No, breakout. And then, what else? Yeah, possible mga next few days, no? See, nawawala yung drawing kong linya eh. Oh, di ba? Tapos babalik. Okay, so breakout, possible tayo mag-consolidate, no, before another breakout. So, medyo bullish for this. And what's our target? Our possible target is dito. So, yan yung target natin if we do pump, no, ganyan. Possible ganyan. Yes. Yeah, around here. Sige, gawin natin conservative. See, nawawala na naman yung box. So yeah, yun yung target. No, screenshot lang, screenshot. So after B, LTG. LTG. Jose nga, yung SCC will take I think a week or two bago mag-reverse. No? So after ko mag-release ng SCC chart ko, biglang nagkaroon ng negative fundamental news. So tignan natin kasi I really don't alam mo um di ko pwede sabihin na hindi ako naniniwala sa fundamentals pero it would take a really really bad news for it to crash further kasi SEC has been on a downtrend for so long, no? So I think it's gonna take more than a negative income or alam ko kasi nabawasan yung net income nila. So yun yung negative news. But I think they would need a bigger negative news to push it further down, no? So we've been on a downtrend. So yeah, hindi ako masyadong fan ng fundamentals. But that's just me, no? Ako lang yun. So here, LTG. So si LTG, tingnan natin yung past chart natin kay LTG. So yun, LTG, same pa rin. Hindi pa rin nagbabago yung bullishness ko. Bullish ako kay LTG. I do believe we will hold support here. Then tataas tayo to this resistance zone. No, so let's check the 4 hours. So si 4 hours, not much to see. 1 hour, yeah, so ayun, no, medyo sideways pa rin tayo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so medyo sideways pa rin tayo for LTG. Pero we are in a good support zone. Ayun, no, nag-double bottom na tayo dito. So I think this will hold. Tapos medyo bullish. But then, yeah, lagay kayo ng stop loss. If we go below 14.6, yan yung cut loss natin. Diba? Kasi if we go below that, may invalidate tong bullish scenario ko. And we would fall down further. A, B. Yeah. No. Sige, dito yung cut loss in this area. So, 14.74 po yung cut loss natin, guys, for LTG sa mga gusto mag-long or bumili nitong stocks. Kasi if we fall below 14.74 pesos, babagsak pa tayo and I think our next target or next support will be 13.85. So, after LTG, UBP. Union Bank. So, guys, si Union Bank recently, alam ko meron silang bagong project which is nagbukas ata sila ng crypto ATM. Yun nata yun. No? So, for UBP, no, on a weekly chart, meron tayong bullish divergence. A series of lower low in the price action but a series of higher low sa UBP. But then again, no, matindi yung buhusan na to. So, wag muna kayo papasok unless meron na kayo nakitang higher high at higher low. So, ako medyo what do you call this? Hindi ko muna lalaruin to kasi grabe. But then again, yeah, if you wanna take the risk, pwede kayo mag-ladder ng buys, no? Huwag lang kayo mag-all in, no? Bili lang kayo ng konti. Pag bumagsak konti, di bili pa kayo ng konti. Pero, huwag kayo mag-all in, hatiin nyo sa 10 o 5 yung buying power nyo para hindi kayo nasa-stress pag lalo siyang bumagsak. Diba? So, After UBP, we have ECP. Okay, so before going next, no, screenshot lang natin. So if we do bounce from here, which I don't think we will, but if we do bounce for here, ito yung magiging resistance natin for UBP. ECP, ECP. Oh, so for ECP, no, looking at it on a weekly chart, mukhang meron tayong bull flag na nangyayari, right? So check natin yung, oh wait, daily, yeah, consolidating pa rin tayo sa daily. So ayun, siguro ang buy signal ko dito is if we break above this trend line resistance, no, if we break above this bull flag, then yan yung magiging buy signal natin. But until then, no, sidelines muna tayo guys for ECP. After ECP, we have, oh, may Apple na pala sa PSE ah. Joke. So for Apple, no, so for Apple, ano ba meron? Yeah, possible resistance kasi sa RSI, no, resistance point siya dito eh. Resistance, resistance, resistance ulit. So, abang-abang na kayo guys, if we do break above this trend line, yes, hindi ko pa alam eh. But for Apple, um, you have to take into consideration, no, na we are already overbought on the daily. So, even if we do go up, siguro konti na lang. Tulad dito, overbought, no? Then nagkaroon pa siya ng isang overbought, tumaas, tapos babagsak rin, no? Tumaas, overbought, isa pang overbought, double top, then bumagsak, no? So kung gusto niyo bumili ng Apple or APL, abang kayo pag nasa oversold na yung yung RSI natin, right? So sa mga scalper, siguro pwede nyo pang sakyan to, no? Isang last wave going up, then after that, I bet a correction would come. So after Apple, VLL. Shout out nga pala kay Ella Hernandez. Hey sis, what's up? Salamat sa support sa pag-review. Sana may matutunan ka dito. Aray! Ang ina. Okay. Nasugat lips ko. Sobrang dry kasi. So, VLL, no? Si Vistaland. May nag-request nito and then sabi ko it would take a few more days. No? And kasi sabi ko we need more time kasi mukhang magko-consolidate pa to ng sideways. So mukhang magkaka-bull flag to, no? Mukhang possible siya magkaroon ng ganito. A, B, C, D, E. Possible siya magganyan. Possible siya magganyan. Sideways going down. Our next support will be our previous resistance. No? So ito yung kasi currently andito na yung support eh. So if we do hold the support, no, then good. But if not, usually we would correct like this, no, to retest the resistant turned support dahil sa breakout dito. So sidelines lang rin ako kay VLL. Kasi tapos na yung pump eh. Dapat umaabang kayo dito pa lang sa baba or pag breakout ng bull flag na to. Right? So for VLL, yeah. Okay, so next si JFC, no? Pambansang bubuyog. Pambansang bubuyog natin. So with JFC, yeah. Yeah, you know, right? Yeah, yes. So si JFC on the daily, no, yeah, umabot na tayo sa overbought. And tulad dito, nung umabot tayo sa overbought, right, we created a bearish divergence, lower high on the RSI but a higher high on the price action. So after that, nakita natin drop, grabe. No, grabe yung drop. So this time, um, yeah, feel ko medyo magiging ganito yung price movement natin. Right? Kasi guys, kung mapapansin nyo kung titignan nyo mabuti, nakikita nyo tong price action na to, yung characteristics ng mga candle. Pansin nyo dito, medyo hawig niya. Diba? Ayun no, hawig niya. Ito. No, lagyan natin ng circle para sa mga mahihina yung mata. So, eto siya. Yung nandito, ito rin yun. Kung may kita nyo, overbought, diba? Sideways pababa, biglang nag-drop. Ito, overbought na rin tayo, so nag-sideways. So, possible niyan is, ito kasi masasabi nating ano to A, B, C. So, ito, possible din to maging A. Tama ba? A, B, and then C. So, possible siya maging ganyan. No? So, for JFC, we are in correction mode. No? Siguro papasok ako kay JFC pag umabot na tayo sa oversold tulad dito. Right? So, aabang ako pag oversold na tayo on the daily. And I think it will take a long time. Siguro mga gaano katagal to. So, mga 2 months. No? 2 months. But if we do break above 324 or 328, then bullish tayo. But, yeah. I think correction tayo. Correction. Okay. So, that's for JFC. And alam ko, gumawa na ako ng JFC chart So, asan na yun? So, ito yung nakikita ko yung JFC. No, feel ko maghanap na yung support around 270 to 290. No, around the area. Yep. So, after JFC, MPI. You're welcome, Shuji Ursua, at saka si Tingards Bisaya. So, MPI, okay, MPI. So, na-break niya yung support natin. So, this is on a daily. Tingnan natin yung weekly. Silip tayo sa weekly. Yeah, I do still believe, no, na we will do something like this, A, B, C. So, tapos na po yung A pataas, yung B pababa. So, C na lang yung kulang pataas. But then, guys, also, no, meron nakitang bagong scenario. Pwede siya maging, oh crap, A, B. Yeah, so, ganito na lang yan Drawing tayong trend line. So, if we do break above this orange trend line resistance, then it is very possible that we will head up to this resistance zone, which is around 6 pesos to 6.3 pesos, right? But if we do break below this trend line support, no, itong nasa baba, then, di ba bagsak pa tayo? No? So, if we do break below this, saan ba yung next support natin? Siguro dito yung next support. Right, so A, B, C, D. Yeah, but I think, guys, mas malaki yung probability na we will do an A, B, C going up. So, let's check the 4 hours kung meron tayong makikitang signs of reversal or signs of bullishness. So, sa 4 hours, yeah, so sa 4 hours, oversold na tayo, right? Below, ano na tayo below 30 RSI, so oversold yan. So, 1 hour naman, yep, oversold na rin. So, yeah, I'm sticking to my ABC, but yep. I'm sticking to this ABC for now. Yun lang yung nakita kong mas possible, but I don't know eh, medyo sideways talaga eh. So guys, pag gantong sideways, no, wala tayong definite trend. So wala kang friend ngayon, and alam niyo naman guys, as a trader, the trend is your friend. So since walang trend ngayon, let's go on to the next stock. No, wag niyo laging pilitin kasi maraming opportunities ang market. So let's go to Ayala. Ayala, yeah, nag-breakout tayo dito sa trend line resistance and then nagko-consolidate tayo. So, what I'm gonna do is maghihintay ako ng breakout dito sa 45. Then, yan yung magiging confirmation natin na bullish tayo. But until then, I think we're just gonna go sideways. No? So, same with Jollibee, no? Nakikita nyo tong consolidation to. Mukhang mas bearish siya eh. Kasi lower low, lower low, lower high, lower high. And the RSI is, alam mo yun, moving sideways going down. So, wala pa tayong signs of reversal or anything yet. Right? So, let me check again. So, yeah. So, possible din, no, in the next few days, no, magko-consolidate lang tayo above this trend line resistance na nabasag natin and then break out of here. So, tanggalin lang natin to. So, yeah. Hindi gumana tong bearish scenario. So, we're gonna stick with the bullish scenario kasi since nagkaroon na tayo ng breakout dito. So, medyo matagal-tagal ko na rin hindi nagawa ng chart si Ali. So, last month pa ata tong Ali na chart. After Ali, Poppy. So, for Poppy, ang nakikita ko is we are at the resistance zone. Now, this area acted as support. Right? Support here. And this area acted as a resistance. So, ang nakikita ko is nasa bearish territory na tayo. And we are due for a correction. But, wait. There's more. Dead joke lang. So, yeah, meron tayong nakikita dito on the daily, no? A higher high on the price action, but a slightly lower high on the RSI kung makikita nyo dito. No? So, that is indicating na medyo humihina na yung mga bulls or buyers and nasa resistance na rin tayo. So, guys, we are at a resistance zone and at the same time, we have a bearish divergence on the RSI. So, ano yung next level of support natin? Ano yung support zone natin? So, ito yung possible support zone. Ano? Somewhere here. So, yan yung possible support zone natin. Feel ko babagsak tayo to find support around here. Right? So, yun lang naman. No? Yun lang naman, guys. For Poppy. So, screenshot lang natin para sa mga repa-pits natin sa Trader Circle. So, mga hindi pa nakakasali ng Trader Circle, sumali na kayo. No, mga repa-pits. After Poppy, EEI. So, guys, kamusta Sunday nyo? Nag-ano ba kayo? Nagsimba ba kayo? O, singit daw natin si Green. Sabi ni John Belen, hype. Yeah, medyo hyped ako ngayon compared yung last time na nag-live stream ako. Kasi may sakit ako nun eh. So ngayon medyo okay. So for EEI, check natin kung may past chart tayo. So EEI, no, yeah. No, so ito yung EEI chart natin last time. Sabi ko guys, we are in a support zone. No? Pwede na kayo bumili kasi we're gonna pump and find resistance at this trend line na dinrawing ko from here to here. No? So, yeah. No? Kung nakinig kayo, no? We did find support and did how many percent? as high as 26%, no? Then bigla rin tayong bumagsak. So, sa mga pumasok dito at nakapag-take profit dito, then I'm happy for you. Pero ako, I personally didn't trade this stock. No, sayang pero okay lang. Ganun talaga pag trader, sanay nang ma-disappoint or alam mo yun, what ifs. Power, yes. Where pa, no? Mga where pa. Mga pre, mga repa. After EEI, GT cap. So, yeah. Screenshot lang natin, no? Screenshot lang natin para meron tayong, ano ba to daily chart? After EI, GT cap? Oh yeah, GT cap. Hmm. 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 So, I did call it again. Sabi ko, guys, resistance zone. Di ba? Tapos, ayun, tumama naman. No? Ito. Sabi ko, guys, take profit, resistance zone. If you would have listened, then you would have saved at least negative 17.83% in losses. So, yan. Right. So, parabolic yung bagsak niya. So, for GT cap, yeah. Alright. So, for GT cap, tignan natin. No, tingnan natin. Kasi parabolic yung bagsak niya eh. Kunin natin yung Fibonacci. So, for Fibonacci, so siguro pwede kayo mag-abang, no? Inside this green box. Check natin yung 4 hours. Nagloko na naman si Investa. Yeah, so, meron nakikitang bullish divergence dito sa 4 hours, no? So, buti na lang, pupunta tayo sa lower time frame para nakita tayo ng bullish divergence. So, possible, no, na we can find support here sa 0.5 Fibonacci, then our, yep, mga malabo eh. Pwede ganyan. No? Oh, yeah. So, pwede maging ganyan. Then, sorry, tingnan ko ulit yung daily ah. Yep. So, possible tayo mag-find support sa 0.5 Fibonacci level. No, around here. Then, bounce. And then, yeah, bounce here. So, medyo bullish ako kay GT Cap. Short-term bullish lang. I'm not sure kung reversal yet, but I am short-term bullish. So, wait. Check na rin natin 1 hour. Yep, definitely bullish. So, we are in a support zone. No? Possible na siya mag-pump. And then our resistance will be around here, 236, no? So if we do pump from here to here, mga ilang percent? Yeah, possible 10 or 11% scalp trade. So may GT cap na ba tayo? Yep, meron na. So after GT cap, Metro Bank? Ay, hindi. Metro, ha? Metropolitan, okay. So, yeah, grabe itong red candle, bearish candle. So, support zone, support zone. This whole area is a good support zone. So let's check the 4 hours. 4 hours oversold, but hindi porket oversold, bibili na. Kasi tingnan dito, nag-oversold tayo dito, right? Then, we fell down further. So, yeah, give it some more time. No, medyo nasa free fall pa rin siya. Right, it's MBT. So, maybe next week, maganda na pumasok dito. Maybe next week. So this is a possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, around here. Oh, so possible siya magganyan. This is MBT. Oh, hindi nagko-cooperate yung mouse. After MBT, ATN. John Kevin Mawala, hindi. Wala sa puhunan yan. Kasi kahit gaano pa kalaki ang puhunan mo, kung bobo ka, mauubos mo yan. Hindi naman bobo, pero kailangan mo ng proper risk management, no? So, wala talaga sa puhunan yan. Nasa ano mo yan, risk management and experience mo sa pagte-trade. So, for ATN, no, tagal na natin nagko-consolidate sideways. Yeah, sideways. Hello, Jeffrey Di Malanta. Thank you. Kevin Panopio. I'm more of a swing trader. Usually when I do chart, it's for swing. Pero sometimes, pag may nakikita akong good scalp, yeah, binibigay ko rin, sinasabi ko rin. Pero it's usually swing trading. Swings. So for ATN, no, wala guys, sideways pa rin tayo. So titingnan natin sa lower time frame kung meron tayong nakikitang bullishness. So here, yeah. Medyo bullish ako pero for ATN, no, hintayin nyo mag-oversold si ATN kasi medyo nag-pump na eh. Diba? And on the 4-hour, malapit na tayo sa overbought. Right? So mukhang di mangyari tong bearish ABC natin. So tanggalin na. So looking at the 4 hours, what else can I see? Wala pa, Raymart si Rot. SMC daw. Yeah, so here, nagkaroon tayo ng double bottom here, no? On the 4 hour, kaya nangyari itong pump. So I do think na we're gonna find support here. So siguro, maghihintay ako ng ano. If we do break out of this red, then pwede tayo magpumasok. But then, yeah, oversold na tayo sa 1 hour eh. So 4 hours naman papunta na doon. So hindi ko muna gagalawin to sa mga may ATN. Siguro sakyan nyo lang, no? I think stop loss ko for ATN, but let's go to 15 minutes. Yeah, sa mga naglalaro kay ATN, siguro pwede na kayo mag-cut loss if the price falls below 1.48 pesos. No? Up to you guys kasi trade niyo yan eh. Pero hindi ko muna lalaroin si ATN. IRC. So si IRC, no, dinrawingan ko siya ng roadmap na ABC, right? But mukhang medyo sumasideways siya eh. So possible maging ganyan yung price movement natin. Right. So let's look at the daily. So daily, wala pa namang signs of, sorry, tanggalin lang natin to. So yeah, sideways pa rin tayo. So yan yung nakikita ko, ABC. So gawan natin siya ng trend line resistance. And may kita natin na yung trend line resistance natin, no, downtrend pa rin tayo. So if we break above this orange trend line resistance, yun na magiging reversal natin and magiging bullish. But guys, ito eh, left shoulder, head, then right shoulders. No, so possible tayo mag-find ng support here. Sige, extend. Okay. So yan. Actually possible dyan yung support. No, gawin natin ganyan. So sideways pa rin tayo guys. But definitely a little bit bullish. No, I am a little bit bullish. Kasi meron tayo ditong lower low but slightly higher low sa daily time frame, no? So yeah, medyo bullish ako kay IRC. Actually, yeah, I'm slightly bullish. Yep, slightly bullish, no? And I do think na maybe this week, no, this coming week or tomorrow, there's a possibility na makakapag-breakout tayo dito. So, ganyan. Tanggalin natin tong ABC. Yeah, so yep. After IRC, fa. So here, no, mukhang nagsa-sideways lang tayo. Mukhang bull flag to eh. This is the pole. Tapos, possible maging ganyan. No? Bull flag. Pero, based on Elliott wave theory, pwede to maging ABC. Ganyan. A, B, C. Then, yung nakikita ko for fa. After fa, PNB. Philippine National Bank. Mm-hmm. 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 Yes, sir! So mukhang tumama na naman yung prediction natin for PNB. And I made this chart last year of November 25. No, so may kita natin na, guys, umabot na po tayo sa target ko. No, umabot na. So what's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? What's up, what's up? So kung pumasok kayo last year, sa call na to, which I think most of you hindi pa, kasi medyo pasimula pa lang ako sa live charting ko na ito eh. So kung nakapasok kayo, no, sa mga early nanonood, you would have made at least, if you were able to catch the top, no, you could have made at least up to 35% in 100 days or 3.5 months, no? 35% in 3.5 months, not bad. So, yeah, target reach. No, target reach indeed. Yan, sa mga early adopters or early supporters ni Risk Trader, ito yung napapala nyo. Hype? Guys, wala masyadong hype dito, no? Everything's based on chart. I don't do fundamentals. Yeah, boring magbasa. No, so chart lang talaga. Uh-huh. After PNB, what's next? So, okay. PNB. Now, before I forget, let's check the daily or the lower time frames. So, currently, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, okay. So, sa mga nakasakay kay PNB, no, just let it ride, no? Ang cut loss point po natin is at 47.05. So, sa mga nakapasok dito, or better dito, no, just let it ride. And then, if we go below, if the candle goes below 47.05 pesos, then take your profit na. That's your cut loss. Kasi if we go below this, bearish na tayo. Okay, so, yeah, makikita natin sa daily, no? Multiple multiple divergence. So, mukhang malakas pa yung uptrend nito. So, here, drawing din tayo ng trend line, ganyan. So yeah, unless we go below 47 pesos, I am still bullish for the stock. No, so I'm still bullish for the stock unless we go below 47 pesos. So after PNB, food. So ayun no, dami na nating chart request tonight. So since busog ko ako kanina, medyo marami pang energy. So yeah, yeah, you know, right? Yeah. So hindi rin nangyari tong ABC and ang nangyayari is posible maging ganito. A, B, and then maging ganyan. Possible siya magganyan. No? But if we do break above this trend line resistance, then bullish na ako. But until then, I'm expecting it to move sideways going down. No? But if we break this trend line resistance, then I'm bullish. But until then, tulad ng sabi ko, I am still bearish for food. So after food, we have ore. No, medyo matagal ko rin di nakita tong medyo matagal na wala nag-request ng ore. Alright, so what do we have here for ore? No, medyo mag-throwback muna tayo kung ano yung last analysis natin. So our latest analysis for ore is, sabi ko guys, no, we will reach 0.5, no, and yeah, we didn't quite reach it, pero malapit na, 'di ba? So here pa lang, no, early pa lang, sabi ko guys, we have room to go, we can still go up to here, no, and we did, and sadly, correction mode tayo, right? But this is AB, ABC. Yep. So support zone. Support zone. So for me, our next support, well actually approaching support na tayo eh. Kasi this whole area has been marami activities, right? So we can go to as low as this one and then maybe go up, right? So for ore, yep, after ore, pure gold. So ito yung nakita ko for ore. Bearish pa rin. Yes, I am still bearish. Bearish for ore. Ay, P-gold na pala to. What? Long chart? Yep, still bearish. Yep, still bearish. After peak, oh, may nag-request daw ng now. ISM. So si ISM, sideways eh. Ayan, sideways. So ayan, may channel tayo. Will we break the channel and go lower? Or nah? So medyo nagbago yung sentiment ko for ISM. I do think no, we can find support here and then oh si Bloom. So si Bloom, kumusta? So si Bloom, what can I say? Uptrend, di ba? Kasi on the daily, nagka-zoo strike, right? So 4 hours, so guys, FYI lang, ginagamit ko lang yung mga terms ni Zfreaks kasi alam ko marami dito, no, started with Zfreaks. So, I am not in any way related to Zfreaks, nor have I attended any of his seminars, no. I have read through some of his blogs. It's good. Pero yeah, I'm using the term, yung mga term ni Zfreaks kasi alam kong familiar siya sa inyo. So guys, here, no, may kita natin na this is actually a good support and resistance zone. This whole area here. Ito yung mga possible support natin. So, ito yung for me kasi bullish yung stock. So, we can retrace anywhere inside this green box and then reverse. Right? So, let's go to the 4 hours. I mean, sorry, 1 hour. So, sa 1 hour, oversold na tayo. But, so medyo bullish na ako dito kasi oversold 4 hours. So 4 hours. Yeah, so I'm not sure yet kung tapos na yung correction, but yeah, bigyan nyo ng couple of days. No, if it created a higher low, then pwede na. Pero wala pa tayong wala pa tayong na-establish na support. Right? So ayoko muna mag-assume na tapos na to. Yeah, we can have a small relief bounce. Yeah, so hindi ko pa sure kung na-establish yung support, but yeah, just give it a couple more days, maybe this week. No, well, may kita sa 1 hour, meron tayong doji or yeah, basta yung cross. So medyo there's a sign of reversal there, but yeah, ayoko muna mag-assume na we have fine support kasi for me a good support is around here. Pwede naman na dito, but yeah. Just give it a couple of days, then balikan nyo ako. No, send me a message on what I think about Bloom. But until then, yep, I'm gonna give it a couple of more days and see what happens. No, patience. No. So sa trading guys, ang number one na kalaban nyo lang naman dyan is yung discipline nyo at saka yung kate nyo eh. Diba? Yung mga makakatin yung kamay, tsaka greed nyo. So, it's all about patience. So, dapat cheetah ka or tiger or lion na nasa forest na nakaabang ka sa mga prey mo. No? Hindi ka basta habol ng habol or tira ng tira. Kailangan mo abangan talaga. Wait for the perfect timing to go in. No, so yeah, so trading, patience. You really have to have patience to succeed. After bloom, we have green. So for green, yeah, ilang best ko na ito na-discuss eh. Uh-huh. I am medyo bearish. Right? Here, ito yung resistance. We did try to break the resistance, no? But we were rejected. Nakikita niyo itong wick. No? Itong wick. No? Nire-reject tayo ng resistance. So, mukhang malakas yung resistance. Punta tayo sa daily. So, sa daily, meron na tayong higher high, lower high, bearish. At the same time, nagbe-bearish cross na rin tayo. So, I don't think we will break above this resistance. No, I think we're gonna correct. So, sa mga green, pwede na kayo mag-take profit kasi buy near support, sell near resistance. Right? So, yeah, gano'ng katagal na tayo? I think isang oras at, yeah, 1 hour and 12 minutes na tayo. So, yeah, let's get this done. SMC. So, for SMC, no, I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after every 5 waves, we will have a correction, no? So our correction, I think we will have a good support zone around here. So I do think we will go here, then go up. Yeah, yun yung nakikita ko for SMC. After SMC, SSI, so binasag itong support zone natin. So our next support zone is here. Right? Support, 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 resistance, resistance. Right? So daily is oversold. At the same time, yep, I'm bullish for SSI. So for SSI, last time we did SSI, yeah, support didn't hold, but yeah, we reached support, but it didn't hold. So this one, resistance zone. Support, resistance, support, support. So, possible siya magganto. Yan yung nakikita ko for SSI. After SSI, MB, Michael Bublé. Ooh. So ayun, consolidating pa rin tayo, right? Maybe we'll go up here. Maybe, just maybe. After MB, oh, wala yung sounds. After MB, si DD. DD. Double D. Double D. So si DD, correction mode pa rin siya. Yeah, let's move our support zone here. Yep, that looks more reasonable. So for DD, no, let's do a TBT. So for DD, yeah, tama pa rin, ganun pa rin. Ang nakikita ko for DD is same pa rin, same as this chart. Same as this chart here. So dito pa lang, bearish na ako. And I think binigyan ko yung chart. Right, so dito pa lang, sabi ko babagsak na tayo support na zone na to. So we did crash after doing this chart. Right? So ngayon, medyo, tingnan natin. Mukhang di pa siya tapos eh. So bigyan natin siya ng few more days, no? Then hintayin lang natin kasi It's all about probabilities, right? Yep, medyo bullish naman na ako for DD. So update lang tayo ng charts. After DD, we have now. So for now, yep. So sideways pa rin. But guys, if we zoom in on now, let's go to the 4 hours. Guys, tama ba? So ayun, no, trend line lang tayo. And may kita natin na may breakout na tayo dito. No, at the same time, on the 4 hours, no, we have a higher low on the RSI, but a lower low on the price action. So meron tayong bullish divergence. So ngayon, for now, okay, sorry. Ayusin ko lang yung chart. Masyadong mahaba eh. Yep. Possible here. So ayun, medyo bullish ako for now. And medyo sinusundan niya pa rin yung roadmap na dinrawing ko. Ay, mouse. So here, bullish for now. After now, we have EW. And guys, this will be the last stock. Okay, sige, singit natin si URC. Renee Tado, tapos na po yung IRC. So, rewatch mo na lang yung live, yung replay nito para hanapin mo si ano. So, for EU, no? EU, we broke down again of support. 2, 3, 4, 5. So, let me see. So, ayan. Well, gawin na natin dito para hindi tayo palipat-lipat, no? Pero the thing with EU is alam ko I did call the top there. Right. So for EU on the daily, right. OC lang guys. So here no for EU, sinabi ko dito pa lang na guys, we're gonna drop. And yeah, we did. Right. So abang-abang na lang no inside this green box. So if we create a higher high and a higher low, then yun yung signs of bullish natin. Kasi ngayon wala pa tayong nakikitang higher high or higher low. Puro lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Excuse me. So yeah, for EU, that's it. Uh-huh. So after EU, our last is Universal Robina Corporation, CC2. So for URC, meron na ba tayong throwback dito? Yes. Tagal na nito ah. Whoop, 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 whoop. Asan na yun? Yes, so guys, no, back in November 28th of 2018, last year, no, we are at this point, and I say na there's a good possibility we will break out and reach this. So guys, we currently have broken out of this triangle, tapos, alam mo yun, nagko-consolidate tayo, and I do think we will reach C, no, but bagal yung net eh. So here, ayan, so throw, ano lang, so guys, wala pa rin nagbabago since nung binigay ko tong chart sa inyo nung November 28. I do think we will reach this zone. But one step at a time, di ba? One step at a time. So yeah, that's it guys. Thank you very much for tuning in. So sa mga late na dumating, ito po yung mga chart, yung mga chart request na ginawa natin. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So yeah, we did around 25 to 30 stocks today on our live stream. So sa mga late na dumating, ito po yung mga ni-request today. Pwede niyo lang siya i-watch ulit. No? I'm gonna upload this tomorrow on YouTube. So be sure to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. It's called Risk Trader. Tapos abangan niyo na lang bukas yung yung chart, yung playback nito. So Acero Love, tapos na po yung green. No, we did it here. No, so abangan niyo na lang bukas sa YouTube. Or I'll try to upload it tonight, no, sa YouTube. So mga late, watch niyo na lang sa YouTube. Okay? So guys, thank you very much. This is Risk Trader. Don't forget to cut your losses and learn to take your profit. Good night, guys. Good night. Adios.